Kambi Mar Safaricom mabende en mar ong'we yamo kata Safaricom Foundation bende to kod CZ Africa bende koro nochiwo obok mag puodho jopuonje maromo kanyo 70 e weche mag gedo mantiere mang'iyo weche mago mag tiegruok mabende nyicho tim kanyo Waithaka Vocational Center. Ji 84 kuom 70 mabende koro nomiyo obok makamago gin mago mayande ni jakore siro sombgi kanyo to kod Safaricom Foundation. Obokgo koro nyiso ni jopuonjre go osechwiny ahinya kendo gin gi lony motegno mar timo tijegi mar gedo ne ji kod gik mopogore mayande ni cha koro gisomo.
As for me, nilichagua kufanya plumbing cause plumbing ni different from other course. As in tunalearn mambo mingi from plumbing, yeah. Okay, kwa plumbing tunaweza fanya kitu kama piping, pump installations, plus kama sewage mingi zimeharibika, for example hapa sewage mingi zimeharibika, but through this course tuna nini how to maintain them na kuziweka zikuwe poa. Passion yangu iko kwa pump installations, installations za pumps. For now na feel poa juu hii kitu ikuangi free. Ukienda pale nje ni 3K. As in watu wanang'ang'ananga sana kuipata, but for me sijang'ang'ana, nimepewa na appreciate. Okay, as for Safaricom ningependa kuambia asante sana. Ni watu wengi wangependa kupata hii privilege lakini hawajaipata. Thanks, sisi tumepata hiyo knowledge yenye watu wengi hawana, na tunaweza hadi kuexplore hiyo knowledge yetu hapo nje.
In this program we have one category where they have no skills at all and no experience in the trade. So we take them through the NITA grade 3, which is the starting stage. And after getting the certification of NITA, we take them to the industry for work-based training, which many people call the attachment. And after that, we lead them to job opportunities. In our partnership with the Safaricom, we have the main role of training in life skills. And in life skills, we want to train them about communication, how they can express themselves, how they can be able to do a CV as a Jua Kali man, and create a file. Number 2, we make them move a bit higher. We ensure that they get the NCA accreditation. Consequently, when they are in the construction site, they have no fear of being found at the site. This gives them very big advantage as compared to the many young people or skilled youth that have graduated in various skills, but they have no certificate. And therefore, when they get the accreditation, they get the NCA card, they are able to be accepted in every construction site.
We are very happy about that, the government policy, that whoever works in the construction sector must be accredited. That is to confirm that they actually have the skills that they are saying that they have. Because unfortunately, again, because of need, we've had very many people joining the sector, but they don't have any skills. So accreditation is very important because it shows that these people actually have the skills. And working hand in hand with TTI, as well as the National Construction Authority, what we are doing is ensuring that these young people that we are sponsoring through Safaricom get the best skills and can actually be accredited by the National Construction Authority, so that the minute they complete the training, they can easily get absorbed into the jobs without any fear of, God forbid, them being the cause of some buildings collapsing. So that is very important. But even for those who are not going into the construction industry, for example, those doing food and beverage, we are also ensuring that they get at least the NITA certificate or the NEC certificate to show that they have some level of expertise, so, and which also increases their level of income wherever they go, because once you're employed with skills, with papers, which is also very important in the country, then at least it improves your chances of getting higher income, promotion, and actually generally progressing better in your career path.